you're thrown straight into the deep end. All it is it's a 16mm bar mild steel, and I'm making a lead. Something like that, yeah.
You mainly work with iron?
Mainly work with iron, yeah, doing decorative stuff like this. Yeah. Yeah, we have two lads here in the shed that's interested, so we're passing it on to. I would say it's 200 years old. I would say so, yeah.
So there's plenty of workers?
Oh yeah, yeah. We have, yeah. We have pokers and tongues and we make tidying up, that's for tidying up your work. You put it down and you just hit this. Just back to the work.
And you have one
So fuller, half-inch fuller. The same thing with a piece of round bar. No, the blacksmith makes them. He makes all tools. Yeah. Oh, there is, yeah. Yeah. You could still, if you wanted to. Oh, I enjoy it. I only do it as a hobby. Yeah, it's a hobby for me.
It's a hobby.
Yeah, it doesn't like work, you know.
It's not like work.
No, no.
So what they say if you use it
Very enjoyable. I'd recommend it to anybody.
well, that's great, Tom. It was great to see it now, and we all appreciate your time.
Appreciate it.
You've given us here today.
No problem.
It's great to see it all in action. That's
Great.
grand. Tom, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well done, Tom.